More SpaceChem. Alright, let's take a look at exploding head syndrome. Motherfucking Gorgothar. Okay, so in order to destroy this guy right here, we're gonna launch a rocket at him with plutonium on it, which I guess equals thermonuclear warhead. So all they give you to do this is water, which is great because plutonium is very conveniently not divisible by anything that water is made of. So, alright, so this game uses fake and real physics. It's pretty realistic, like, I mean, you got hydrogen as fuel, oxygen as oxidizer. So, like, the molecules that they give you and that they ask you for are pretty realistic in what they say they're going to do. But what's not realistic is the whole fusion aspect. You can just fuse anything into anything, and all you do is add up the protons, and they give you a little periodic table here, which is accurate. So they want you to make plutonium down here, 94 atomic number, 94 protons. So the tools that you have to do this are hydrogen, 1 proton, and oxygen, 8 protons. So, like I said, 94 is divisible by 1 and 2. So 1 and 94 and 2 and 47 are the only numbers that go into 94, which is so convenient because that made this take a long time to figure out. So let's start it off. This is pretty similar to my last video. All this does is breaks off the hydrogens and it doesn't recycle the oxygens. I need those oxygens, puts the oxygens out. So there you go. It's a little more simple because you don't have there's only one thing coming in, so you don't have that if statement that was in the last one. So here's the oxygen, straightforward, bonds it into O2, double bond it, this bonder and that bonder right there. Double bonds it and dumps it out, and that's all that this thing does. Hydrogen one's a little more complicated because, so here's where I make the plutonium. This is great. Actually, I semi-cheated to get this. I was looking up videos a while ago for this game, and it wasn't for this level in particular. Somebody needed to fuse something a whole bunch of times, and I saw something that looked like this, so that's where I got this idea. But it was still kind of hard to implement it because there's very limited space here. So what I ended up doing is fusing helium a whole bunch of times because hydrogen would have taken too long. I can't fuse hydrogen that many times in here. So I put helium into here and fused it 47 times into plutonium. And here's how I did that. So this outputs the hydrogen that you need and the helium that I need for the plutonium. So this red guy goes on 2 loops. On 1 loop, he puts a hydrogen right there that the blue guy can output to the rocket, and on the other loop he brings in a hydrogen, drops it right here, and now he's going to grab another one of those, and he goes and gets another hydrogen, fuses it into helium, and drops the helium off out down here. And then this guy, all he does is fuses the helium into whatever's sitting right here, and I don't know what that is at the moment. Magnesium, strontium right there, I think, maybe. So yeah, every time he fuses them, I hit the sync, and this guy ticks forward 1 move. There you go. This takes forever, and I came like seconds away from losing this level because this fucker right here is hitting your base. You can see the health right there, and you need 2 plutonium, which is great. So, there we go, grabbed 1 plutonium, dumped it in, so I'm halfway there, and he's halfway done killing my base. It's starting to blow up a little bit. And here we go. Oh, it's going to be close. Come on, plutonium. Uh-oh, 1 more hit. Boom, I got him. Here goes the rocket. Boom. Victory. Assignment complete. You have been promoted the first time I did this. Yay.